Hello there, this is Sunday the 13th of September, and just to show you what we've been doing, Andreas and I, and this is what we have been doing on Saturday, and I just want to give you an idea. You can see how we're mocking it up, making it the size that we want. The firewall will be both aluminum in the center, and it will be all copper or brass out here all the way around it. It'll be copper and brass along here, all the way along about 3 inches wide, the entire length of the car, all the way around it and back. And then we're going to build another kind of oddball boat tail on it, as you can see. We have two twin side mounted tires, and it'll be the complete wheels. So I want you to get an idea of what we're doing. And then of course here is the Beast. That was a little 17 REO. Here's the Beast. It's coming along quite well. This is my idea. It's actually, the body is sectionized. You have the red part here, the tail, both, and there's still a lot of work and woodwork to be done here. You'll love that. Then this section here, which is basically an open section with the original paint and so forth. And you can see what we're doing here. This has just lots of lovely things that we're going to be doing on it. And okay, here is how the woodwork goes. This is, on the other side, this is a fake door, but on the other side, it's an actual door that will be able to give us access into it. And you can see it's coming along quite well. We're very happy with it anyway. It's going to be a very, very unusual design. But everything I do is an unusual design. And groundbreaking, I don't know if that's good or bad, but this is what we do. Now here is the other side. This is how the door will open. This is the wood that we put in, and the door will go here and attach. This has got the leather that's going to be here on the beading, on the top of the door. It'll completely around the cockpit. We still haven't finished this, of course, but there's the oiler on this side and the other side. They're both different, but they're both very unique, and they will be connected so we can automatically oil, with a push of the pump, oil our chains. Now, this all gets a covering on it, and another set of paws here. It's going to carry through the whole concept of this. But it is going to be Le Monstre, the Beast of Turin. So anyway, just wanted to fill you in. I hope you have a fine weekend, have fun, and stay safe.